Hello, it's I, Wasiu, and I welcome you back to this video, to my series. This is a continuation of the previous video. And in the previous video, we stopped at we stopped after the first method of finding this PC, which we found on the desktop. So that's the view area of the desktop. So now we're going to continue with the second and third methods of finding this PC. Now I'd like to recap that to find our intention of finding this PC is that I need to know if I have the appropriate if I need to know that I have the appropriate basic information at hand, and when I do so, before I download any software, I must be sure the software will be compatible with my computer. So that's why we're doing all of this checking, and there are three methods of finding the basic information. The first one, which I showed in the previous video, is by using this PC icon here. It's here on the left hand side. It's usually there if you haven't rearranged or messed up or tampered with your icon setup. So when you have a computer, you should have that, Windows PC specifically. But if you can't find it there, there's no problem. That's why I'm going to show you the other two methods. The second method, as I was saying earlier, is that if you come to the taskbar, that's the second. So I've begun the second method. You come down here to the taskbar. If you click that and you type taskbar, and you type you type this PC, you will have the search result showing options, results that match what you're searching for. And in this case, there's not that many. I don't think there's anything else on Windows that matches this PC, unless you specifically name a folder as such. And that's so here we have this PC as the only results here, and you just come down to this side, the right hand side, and select properties. We're going to see these properties again in the method, the third method. So if you click these properties, you'll have the same basic information we had in the previous video. The same basic information. It's just there are various ways to get to the same information. So nothing changes here except how we got to the basic information. That's the second way, the second method. And then I'm going to proceed and show you the third method of finding the basic information. Now, if you don't want to use that method, or for some reason maybe your taskbar is unavailable or keeps hiding and it's not getting the taskbar field back so you can type in it is not easy for some reason, don't fret. Just look for any folder you have on the desktop area. If there's any there, or you can create a new one by just clicking the Windows key. Just click in the Windows key and just type folder. You can do the same thing even if you can't access your taskbar easily. So the moment you press your Windows key on the keyboard, that's the key on the keyboard that has that that's the key that has the Windows logo. That's the Windows key. If you press that key, it will show you it will the taskbar will pop up immediately, either wherever you've aligned it to, either the bottom of the view screen or the side. So then you can type in there what you need. In this case, what we need is this PC. I'm going to use lowercase letters, this PC. and you see it still shows the result as this PC in the right format it should be. So if you come down to this side again, you'll find it there. Or alternatively, if you click any no, sorry, let's type folder rather. I'm sorry, let's type folder. You see folder file explorer options. It's from the control panel, and you can also see new folder. If you can, just as well as you can see folders, you're going to find various folders that have names that may relate to what you just typed, and those might be the search results. But it doesn't matter, just click any one of those folders as long as you're not clicking an app itself. Just make sure you're not trying to run a software on your computer. If you look down here, if you look on that side, the left hand side, that's where the menu is. You'll find this PC there, which is what we need. And if you right click it, the pop-up menu will have properties at the bottom. So if you select the properties, the property option, you should have the same basic information. So in a wrap, we have three methods of accessing our basic information on the computer. The first one is on the desktop area. Here you can access it here. I'm just gonna move this to the side. You can access it from this PC, and then you can access it from the taskbar or from a Windows menu, a Windows side menu. So those are the three methods of accessing basic information. And if you remember from the previous video, we already know I already know my computer is 6 gig, has a RAM of 6 gigabytes, and it's a 64-bit system. I'm just gonna show you that again. Properties, yep, and voila. Yeah, so we have 6 gig RAM here, although a little bit of it is being used, but we still have 5.6 gigabytes usable, which is 5.6 gigabytes available for use. And then it's a 64-bit operating system. That's x64 based processor. That's the kind of processor it has. So for most modern day softwares, I should be able to install them on my computer, provided I'm not going to be building mobile applications that are resource hungry. So now that I know that, I'm just going to close that. So I've already laid out the names of applications I intend to find online. These are the three rather most popular, well, from back in the days. These three have been very popular PHP development environments, but presently I have amps installed on my computer. I have amps installed, which is the one I'm using presently, but I'm just going to show you how it's possible to you can install another one, or if you don't have any PHP environment installed presently on your computer, you can install one, a fresh one. So you can install either XAMPP. I believe it's pronounced XAMPP. I know some people pronounce it xampp, but I don't believe that's the pronunciation, because if that's the pronunciation, I believe it would be X with a hyphen there and then amp. So it's written as one word, so I just pronounce it XAMPP. Whatever the case may be, the spelling will most likely be the same, XAMPP, where I believe A stands for Apache, M for MySQL, which has been the default database that XAMPP was launched with from the beginning. But I believe now it comes with MariaDB there were some versions I think that came with MariaDB. I can't remember if that's still the case. And then P stands for PHP, and the next P either Python or Perl. So that's PHP. That's for XAMPP. And then for AMPs, we have AMPPS. That's Apache, MySQL as well, or MariaDB, PHP, and Python. And then the same applies to WAMP, but WAMP is not as popular as it used to be from back in the days. So I'm still gonna open it, but I'm not sure if updating the updates to the software is regular, or I'm not sure. But nevertheless, we'll visit the both pages and see if there's need to install that, and show you how to use that as well. So now how to be able to download that rather. So now those are these three are the intended PHP development environments I want to show you, and I intend to download. So I'll be doing that in the next video, and I'm gonna stop right here for now. And I appreciate you following this tutorial so far. I really appreciate that. And I know you most likely have some comments to make. I'll appreciate the comments to be left in the comment section below. And then there's the subscribe button. You can always use that. It's always at the bottom of the video. Do subscribe, click that button. I know creators say smash the button. Don't smash the button, just press the button, because you don't want to smash it and break your computer. Right, so press the button, and then click the notification button as well, so you get update notification rather every time I have new videos uploaded. So I hope to see you in the next video, and so stay tuned, and thanks for watching.